Yo, what's good everyone? It's Marvin from mjo23dan.com. So I'm working in my studio here and I look out the window and I'm like, FedEx. I didn't order anything from FedEx, and then this package comes and I'm like, okay. And then I look on the label and the label says it's from Nike. And I'm like, no way, dude. Like, what's happening? So I'm like really curious to know, like, cause I've never received anything from corporate. Basically, I mean, I didn't order anything, so I'm just as curious as like you guys out there, really. Oh, what? Wow. What? One. And two. Whoa. Continuing the legacy of the Grail, between its game-changing design and its impact on basketball and sneaker culture, the Air Jordan 11 Concord is the Grail. Jordan Brand has gifted you an extra pair of Concords to pass on the legacy of the Grail to an unsung hero behind your success, the seldom recognized facilitator or the behind-the-scenes supporter in your life. This additional pair is for you to share with someone who helped fuel your love for the game. Jumpman. This is awesome. I've never received anything like this before. I want to know who it is to actually recognize this, because this is pretty awesome. And I never gave anyone my address, so they must have gotten it. They must have gotten it from the sneakers account or something. But like I don't know which one to open, and I don't know what size like they are, or the size label is actually on the outside, so that's a size 10, and this is an 11 and a half. I have one person in mind that I think would truly enjoy this. I'm probably gonna keep one for myself, obviously the size 10, and I will unbox it for you guys so that you guys can check it out. But basically it's in a Christmas style wrapping, and it's wrapped in this nice Concord 11 with the 45 numbering on the outside. The ribbon has Jumpman, Jordan, and it has the 45 labeling, so that's pretty neat. The to and from is blank, so obviously I'm gonna gift one, and maybe I can catch that on camera. But let me go ahead and open this. I don't want to bust open the packaging. I want to save it, definitely. Yeah, man. There's another card. These are what the two cards look like, side by side. And then different sayings on the back. So I already read this one. I'll go ahead and read you guys this one. You've been gifted the Grail, the Air Jordan 11 Concord, with its game-changing design and impact on basketball culture. It's worthy of the biggest moments from the court to the stage. You're receiving this pair to celebrate the impact you've had on someone's life and your love of the game. Jumpman. This is amazing. Oh, comes in bags too? Okay. Wow. Alright, there's one, and then two. There it is. The one that started it for me. The Concord 11. Just going over the shoe bag. This is a really nice inclusion here. Something I wish that was in regular style packaging, not just for, I guess you would consider this like an influencer package or media package or whatnot. But yeah, this is the bag. It's Jumpman branded. Concord purple on the Jumpman. Lace lock. It's got a Jumpman on there. And then at the end here, you got quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. So it's black and red, which has me curious to think that maybe we'll see a black and red Air Jordan 11. Who knows? But again, thank you guys so much for checking out my content. I truly love, you know, sharing things with you guys and sharing my impact, I suppose, with the community here on YouTube and on social media as well. And I'm very honored, Jumpman 23, Brand Jordan, Nike, for blessing me and another individual with a pair of sneakers. And I do again have that person in mind. Hopefully he wears a size 11 and a half. He's really made a great impact in just the short amount of time that I've known him, and hopefully I'll be able to do that video and show with you guys. But again, man, thank you guys so much for the opportunity to be able to share my content, share my love, share my passion of sneakers, and this is amazing. Thank you guys so much. I'm truly blessed. Jordan Brand gifted me a pair of shoes, and they gave me 2 pairs, one in a size 10 my size and 11 and a half. I had to ask your wife Mary what size you were, but so I wanted to just gift this to you because you've been part of, like, you know, this community for a while, and
thank you.
You know, you do so much for the kids, and just wanted to share that memory with you.
Thank you so much.
So if you want to open it.
Oh yeah. Can I?
Yeah.
Sweet. You want to save the wrapping bit, but
I saved a little bit of mine.
oh, check these out.
Yeah.
They're even individually wrapped.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, nice.
So it's the first time that shoes came back since 2011, but this is like the first pair that started my collection. So it came back in 2018 in like true form.
Nice.
So
I'll be honest with you. Never had Jordans before. This is my first ones, yeah.
Well, there you go. That's yours, you know, for what you do with the kids and everything.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so
No
much.
problem.
These are nice.
Thank you.